Hey everyone, Leigh Goldstein, Trading Director at 10 Minute Trades, and I want to show you this week's Trade of the Week. Let me show it to you. Netflix was our first serious big time earnings workshop of the new quarter. My name is Leigh Goldstein. I'm the Trading Director for 10 Minute Trades. Please remember, all the trades we discuss are for educational purposes. It is possible to lose money trading futures. We had a 50 tick bracket. Our brackets were going to go on the chart according to the research that we did 10 seconds after 4 p.m. the close, because our studying showed that for years Netflix has not released their earnings until right after the close, but very close to the close. You could see 13 seconds after the close we get filled long, and we don't really have what I would have considered a totally official long move of the stock. We have an early move of the stock, and the NQ is really confirming that upward direction in Netflix. $615 easy profit. Let me show it to you one more time. We get filled just a mere 13 seconds after the close. There's the fill, 13 seconds on the clock. The NQ pops really as the stock is popping, but it almost looks like a false pop on the stock. Then it bursts up. Our targets are already hit. A slight delay in the price movement made it exciting and a little bit nerve-wracking. An easy $615 winner on Netflix. Definitely this week's Trade of the Week. Hope you're having an awesome weekend, and thanks for watching. Leigh Goldstein signing out for 10 Minute Trades.